of the holiday season. In behalf of the SM Supermalls and our president, Mr. Steven Tan, I would like to again thank you all for all the support that you have given us, how you have been able to get our good news out there, how you've been able to help us particularly in telling the different news of the big milestones that we have in the malls. We do hope that you will continue to support us into 2026 as we will continue to support all of you as well. In the same way that we have always been doing through the years. So again, thank you. Enjoy the night and let's all have fun, okay? Merry Christmas, everyone.